Want to glow up naturally in just 7 days? No makeup, no expensive products, just simple hacks that actually work. From brows and lips to dark circles and glowing skin, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing a full 7-day glow up routine. Thicker eyebrows, soft pink lips, fixing dark circles, clearing whiteheads, brightening hands and feet, and even a DIY hair growth oil. All teen safe, natural, and totally budget friendly. Thicker eyebrows. Want thick, fluffy brows? Do this 7 nights. Steps 1. Take castor oil, ½ teaspoon, plus coconut oil, 1 drop. 2. Dip a clean spoolie/earbud. 3. Apply on eyebrows before sleeping. 4. Wash in the morning. Fuller, dark brows in a week. Pink lips chapped, dark lips. Want pink lips. Steps 1. Grate, blend 1 beetroot, squeeze juice. 2. Mix 1 teaspoon beet juice plus ½ teaspoon honey. 3. Apply on lips like balm before bed. 4. Wash in the morning. Dark circles. No concealer, no makeup, dark circles gone. Steps 1. Put 2 green tea bags in hot water. Keep in fridge. 2. Place cooled bags on eyes for 10 minutes. 3. At night, massage 1. Drop almond oil under eyes. Whiteheads on nose. Whiteheads gone in 1 week. Steps 1. Steam face for 5 minutes. Open pores. 2. Blend boiled rice plus pinch turmeric. Make paste. 3. Gently scrub nose with paste for 2 minutes. 4. Wash with cold water. Darkness. Around mouth skin. Dark around mouth. This potato trick evens it. Steps 1. Grate raw potato. Squeeze juice. 2. Dip cotton pad. Apply around mouth. 3. Leave for 15 minutes, then wash. Hands and feet. Glow baby soft hands and feet in 1 soak. Steps 1. Take warm water in bowl. 2. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice plus 1 teaspoon sugar. 3. Soak and scrub hands and feet for 5 minutes. 4. Apply aloe vera gel after. Hair growth oil, thicker hair in 7 days. Mix this oil. Steps 1. Mix 2 tablespoons castor oil plus 2 tablespoons coconut oil plus 1 tablespoon onion juice. 2. Warm slightly. 3. Massage scalp for 5 minutes. 4. Leave 1 hour. Wash with mild shampoo. Rice turmeric face mask. Highlight hack. This rice turmeric night mask gets glass skin by morning steps. 1. Take 2 tablespoons boiled rice plus 2 tablespoons rice water plus ½ teaspoon turmeric. 2. Blend to smooth paste. 3. Apply evenly on face at night. 4. Sleep. Wash in morning. That's no gatekeeping. These glow up hacks are simple, affordable, and actually effective. If you're starting today, comment GLOW down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our glow up community for more.